The PME Professional Diploma course, the Sugar Paste module, is dedicated to teach us how to work with fondant and gum paste. The course runs over 3 full days. On the first day, we cover and decorate a wedding cake, a 3-tier wedding cake, and make lots of decorations we're using fondant and gum paste. On the second day, we spend the time making other things like covering regular shaped cakes, making some figurines, one baby, one female and one male figurine, and create more decorations for the next day. On the third day, we carve a cake and we complete that cake by decorating it. And we also decorate 6 cupcakes, 2 cookies, and 2 cake pops. That just gives us an idea about what kind of paste to use for what project and how to give the projects a really nice look with ease. All you need for the course is included in the price, and when you go home you will take away all the things you've produced throughout the course plus the student kit for the sugar paste module. We cover cake dummies, but if you prefer to work on real cakes, there is an option where you can just book yourself into a course and use real cakes throughout the whole course. Alternatively, we will use the dummy cakes and then we'll work with real cake only on that part of the course which is dedicated to carving cakes.